Speed. Speed is a concept that measures how slow or fast an object travels. It is defined as the distance traveled by an object in a specific time. Relationship between time, speed, and distance. Speed of an object is calculated by the distance traveled by an object divided by the time taken to cover the distance. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. From the given formula, speed is directly proportional to distance and inversely proportional to time. Units of time, speed, and distance. Speed, distance, and time has different units for their measurements. Time, seconds, minutes, hours. Distance, meters, m, kilometers, km, miles, feet. Speed, meter per second, kilometer per hour. If unit of distance and time are known, then unit of speed can be derived easily. Conversions of the units of speed. To change between kilometer per hour to meter per second, we multiply by 5 upon 18. So, 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. To change between meter per second to kilometer per hour, we multiply by 18 by 5. So, 1 m by second is equal to 18 upon 5 kilometer per hour is equal to 3.6 kilometer per hour.